America's President Donald Trump has done something very strange, shocking and bizarre. On February 26, he shared an AI video about Gaza, a place far away where a big war has been happening. Now this video is part of his plan called Gaza Riviera. It's making people angry all over the world. Trump, who is 78 years old, met Israel's leader Benjamin Netanyahu in America around February 10th. They talked about many things, including Gaza. Gaza has been in a war for over 15 months, since October 2023. Then on February 26, Trump shared this AI video on his app called Truth Social. It shows a big idea to change the Gaza completely. Now this came after a ceasefire. A break into the fighting started on January 19, 2025 between Israel and Hamas. Now this AI video shows Gaza as a fancy holiday place, beautiful beaches, big shops and happy people. There are people who look like Trump, his rich friend Elon Musk and Netanyahu. Musk dances as money falls from the sky. Netanyahu sits shirtless with a drink next to Trump. A song plays saying, and I quote, "Trump will make Gaza happy, no more problems." It's very strange, different from actual reality. Gaza is a small place, only 25 miles long and 7 miles wide. Before the war, 2.3 million people lived there. Since October 2023, when Hamas attacked, Israel has been bombing Gaza. Over 48,000 Palestinians have died, more than half women and children. Over 1 lakh are hurt. Almost 90% of people, about 1.9 million, had to leave their homes. Cities like Gaza City are now just rubble. Hospitals, schools and farms are mostly gone. Gaza is a beautiful city between Israel and Egypt. It's been a tough place for years with fighting and no easy way in or out. Trump's plan is about this Gaza, but he wants to push out its people and build new things. He shared the AI video on Truth Social, his own app. Now it's spreading fast on X, Instagram and the other news channels. The war made Gaza a sad place. Over 436,000 homes are damaged or destroyed. That's more than half of all the buildings there. Trump likes big ideas. He is close to Netanyahu, who wants Gaza to stop being a problem for Israel. Elon Musk, Trump's rich friend who runs big companies and helps him in America, might like this too. Trump says Gaza should be Riviera, a fancy place like Goa or Mumbai beaches, but without its people. He wants to move 2 million Palestinians to places like Egypt or Jordan and let others live there instead. When Hamas attacked Israel and took 251 hostages, Israel hit back saying they want to stop Hamas forever. By January 2025, over 70,000 Palestinians might have died, say some studies, more than the official count. Kids over 13,000 make up many of the dead. A ceasefire came on January 19th, but Trump's plan ignores that peace. Many call it wrong and unfair. This AI video, people did not like it. It's not funny. On Truth Social, even Trump's fans said this is bad. And on X, people wrote this is disgusting and Trump is mad fellow. One person also said, delete this, it's hurtful to Gaza's families. The war left Gaza in a mess. 96% of farms are gone and food is so short that 22% of people face hunger every day. Since the ceasefire, groups like UNRWA have given food to 1.9 million people. But it's not enough. Trump's AI video made people angrier, especially since 47,000 have died and 10,000 are still missing under the broken buildings. Trump's AI video about Gaza, a place broken by 15 months of war. Now Trump wants to change it into a holiday spot with this odd video. People everywhere, America, Gaza, even in India, are upset about it. Will Trump stop this plan or keep going on this? The Gaza war has hurt so many, over 1 lakh injured, kids with no schools and families with no homes. This video just made things louder, so your comments also should sound louder to us. Comment your thoughts and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.